If you've ever wanted to back up your saved links or move them to another browser, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to export bookmarks in the Opera browser quickly and easily. This is a simple process, and once you know where the option is, it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, look for any bookmarked link that you've already saved. You can find it in your bookmarks bar or in your bookmarks list depending on how your browser is set up. When you see the bookmark you want to work with, right-click on that bookmarked link. After you right-click, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Bookmark. This opens the Bookmarks management window where you can view and organize your saved bookmarks. Now in this new window, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see an option labeled Import and Export. Click on that. Once you open the Import and Export options, select Export. Opera will then ask you where you want to save the bookmark file. Choose a location on your computer that you can easily remember, like your desktop or a dedicated backup folder. After selecting the location, confirm the save and Opera will export your bookmarks for you. That's it. Your Opera bookmarks have now been exported and saved safely as a backup file. This is really useful if you want to transfer your bookmarks to a new device, keep a copy before resetting your browser, or simply make sure you never lose your important saved sites. If this video helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick browser tutorials, tech tips, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.